Okay, welcome back again to our geometry videos. Here we are in problem number 54. We're asked to decide if each pair of triangles below is similar. If they are, justify your conclusion by stating the similarity conditions that was used. Also describe the possible sequence of transformations that would create one triangle from the other. Okay, this first pair here, I would say that yes, they are similar. And the reason I know they're similar is by angle-angle similarity. And I can tell that just by looking here. There's one angle that matches up, there's a second angle that matches up, so they're similar by angle-angle similarity. The transformation, this would be like an enlargement, right, or a dilation. We have this smaller triangle and it's been magnified and blown up, and now we have this larger triangle. These equilateral triangles. Well, one thing I know about equilateral triangles is that all their angles are the same. And in fact, every single equilateral triangle in the world has every single angle that's the same. They're all 60 degrees. So these two triangles are similar by angle-angle similarity. And in fact, we could also show that they're similar by side-side-side similarity, since every single equilateral triangle has equal sides. The proportions are going to be the same from one to another. But angle-angle is probably the easier way to go. Again, we have an enlargement or a dilation, which took the smaller triangle and magnified it into a larger one. For this third one here, we are going to have to do a little work to see if these two triangles are indeed proportional or not. We don't know anything about the angles, so we're going to have to rely on a side-side-side similarity. The problem is we don't know which sides match up. 6 may match up with 15. Maybe 6 matches up with 20, maybe 6 matches up with 27.5. I don't know. I'm going to see that, let's suppose that the 15 matches up with the 6. If so, that's a ratio of 2.5 to 1, which would mean that every side of the second triangle is 2.5 times as big as the first. Now if I multiply 8 times 2.5, I get 20. Okay, well that works out nice. So there's the same proportion there between 6 and 15, 8 and 20. If I multiply 11 by 2.5, I get 27.5. So there is the same exact ratio between all three of these. 15 to 6, 20 to 8, and 27.5 to 11. All is a same 2.5 ratio. So yes, these are similar by side-side-side similarity. And I just got lucky there that I happened to pick the correct pair of sides that match up, 6 and 15. If we would have tried a different pair of sides, maybe there would have been a different set of ratios for each of those. We couldn't just stop and say, oh, they're not the same. We have to go through the process and match up the different possibilities, because maybe the one we chose wasn't the right one, but there really is a correct similarity ratio there. Okay, if you have any questions about why those sets of triangles are similar, feel free to leave a comment. Otherwise, as always, you can subscribe, like, or share.